Salut à tous les amis, c'est Papa qui joue, j'espère que vous allez bien, moi ça va extrêmement bien, nous sommes de retour sur 007 First Light sur Xbox One Série X pour notre épisode 2. On commence tout de suite, on devait suivre la dame qu'on avait eue à mon avis par radio lors de notre petite mission d'escapade en Islande. On est parti, on peut passer très bien, et donc elle nous attendait juste ici. Allons-y.
Good. Upstairs it is.
Eh ben on va à l'étage.
Say, you're healing fast.
Then it was you.
Anyhow, we're going upstairs. All the way to the big brass. It's quite the stir you made.
Si j'ai fait
Think
sensation,
I go home?
Yeah.
c'est parfait.
Or
Il y a
go
quelque
leave and
chose
disappear.
à prendre
So
par
I'm in
là.
trouble.
Did I say that? I wouldn't have. That's confidential.
Eh oui, c'est classifié. On n'hésite pas à s'abonner, à aimer, à partager, à commenter, ça fait toujours plaisir. Merci les amis. Donc on a un petit peu... Alors j'essaie quand même de voir s'il n'y a pas des petits trucs cachés. Alors, on n'arrivera peut-être pas forcément à faire du 100%, mais vous savez que j'aime bien toujours trouver des
After you.
petites choses. Merci. Allez, on y va. Donc on aime beaucoup, hein. J'adore ce jeu.
Is this about me hanging up on you in Iceland?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Alright, if that's how you want it. Pleased to meet you, I'm James. And you are?
Infuriatingly secretive.
Très bien. Donc on voulait un jeu action-aventure avec de l'histoire.
I'll be right
Money
down.
Penny. Et ben là on est servi. Un petit journal, non, on n'a pas... On n'a pas quelque chose là-dedans, pas rien à voir. On y va. Excuse-nous, Jean-Michel. Donc oui, très content.
So, your name is Moneypenny. Does that come with a first name too?
Now let's not get carried away, James.
Or at least tell me who I'm meeting.
You're here to see M.
M. Right. You're really enjoying this, aren't you?
And you're not?
Not particularly, no.
Miss Money Penny.
Miss Ponsonby. James Bond here to see M.
Thank you, Moneypenny. Take a seat. M will be ready shortly.
Bon bah s'il va pas tarder, c'est parfait. On n'a rien à prendre. Des petites infos, un petit cookie. Bon, on va s'asseoir, hein. Donc oui, du coup, trop bien le jeu. Alors, qu'est-ce que je fais ici? Qui est M? Des noms de code? Ah, je vais mettre des noms de code.
You know, I didn't get much info about today's meeting. M, is that a code name?
Would be odd for a surname, wouldn't it?
Ah, ça doit être un initial, oui.
But what does M stand for then?
You're very talkative, aren't you?
Qu'est-ce que je fais ici? Qui est M ou qui est M?
This M character, is he in prosecution somehow?
She and no.
Elle. D'accord. Bah oui, c'est comme dans les films. C'est l'actrice, c'est Judi Dench, il me semble. Conseil de discipline est-elle importante? Conseil de discipline peut-être, oui, on a fait
Disciplinary board?
tout sauter.
She handles some of that too, yes.
Right.
I do enjoy a quiet office. Perhaps we can limit the small talk. I'm sure M will be with you shortly.
Yes. Of course.
En gros, tu la boucles, quoi. Et ben on se tait, hein.
Right
Ah.
away. M will see you now.
Thank you.
Take a seat.
Ah bah là, du coup, c'est pas la même actrice.
So, Iceland. Air crewmen in training accidentally stumbling upon an MI6 operation of the utmost importance. Initially willing to assist, but then you hang up on us. go against direct orders, and ultimately blow up the invaluable asset we were there to retrieve.
I wasn't aware I was under MI6 command, and I just chose not to take your advice. Mom.
Right, yes. Headstrong, kicked out of several conflicts, thrill-seeking, several disciplinary... here. Issues with authority.
I believe it's more a case of authority having issues with me. Look, I know where this is going. You can spare me the velvet gloves. Do you mind telling me why I'm here?
I would like you to join His Majesty's Secret Service. I want to make you a spy.
You what?
I want you to join my training program. Though, I have to warn you, it's unlikely you'll pass the tests. Should you make it, I have to inform you that agents have a very short life expectancy.
Ah bah, super.
Normal social life is near impossible. And if you do get caught, we will deny ever having heard of you. How does that sound?
What's the downside?
Money's terrible.
When do I start?
Now, Moneypenny's waiting for you outside. She'll run through the details. Yeah, put him through. You're dismissed.
Ça va être trop bien, on va voir son entraînement. Enfin, on va faire l'entraînement, ça va être trop bien. Enfin, je suppose.
Ponsonby? I now know what M stands for.
No, you don't.
Ah,
No,
très
I
bien.
don't.
Donc il faut qu'on trouve Miss Moneypenny. Nous y allons.
You're joining?
I am.
Makes the walk down a lot less awkward. Come on,
C'est excellent avec la musique de James
You're in
Bond,
the
c'est trop bien.
program too.
just got assigned. I'll be the girl in the chair. Quite excited about it. I've been reading up on the Double O's, and I think the program deserves a reboot.
Oh, so it's a new thing then?
Well, the other recruits have been at it for 6 months. So you have some catching up to do.
Ah bah, très bien. Va falloir être bon. Ça donne envie de revoir les films. Alors perso, moi, les films de
Better
James
get you
Bond,
up to speed.
j'étais
As
pas
I said, basic training and initial elimination rounds
foufou
already concluded.
des premiers.
Only 6 recruits qualified for advanced training, and so far, all of them have excelled. Final exams are in 6 months, and you'll have to ace all of them to qualify for field duty. That's assuming that Greenway lets you stay on for
Très
that
bien.
long.
Greenway.
Training instructor. Missions above people and orders above principle sort of guy. Judging from your profile, I'm sure you'll get along splendidly. Anyway, I'm sending you to the MI6 training facility in Malta, where you'll be joining the other recruits. Your flight's waiting for you, so you better get a move on. Break a leg, James.
Donc oui, j'ai bien aimé les James Bond, mais avec Daniel Craig. Ceux d'avant, bon, c'était moins ma cam, mais
John
bon.
Greenway.
Yes. And you're late.
ah, j'y peux rien, mon poulet, hein, c'est l'avion. C'est très beau.
That's the training facility. Scenic.
You're not here for sightseeing. In fact, shouldn't be here at all. The sooner you realize that, the better for both of us.
No sightseeing. Got it. About me being here, you'll have to take that up with them.
Already tried. She insists we give you a chance.
And I'll take it.
Yes, until you get bored or the work's too hard. I read your file. To do this, you need skill, discipline, and above all, dedication. Pure dumb luck will only get you so far.
Glad we got that covered.
So,
Il est sympa lui, hein. D'emblée, il a pas vraiment envie qu'on réussisse, hein.
I like what you've done with the place. Adaptive reuse without compromising the historical heritage. Bit of a splurge on the defense budgets.
We live up to or surpass all requirements for an intelligence service.
Guess that's why I'm here. SAS is here too.
You really have a knack for stating the obvious.
I'm just surprised. I didn't know they trained in Malta.
I expect the list of things you don't know is quite extensive.
Très bien.
Come on, this way.
Le chat de l'aiguille. Suivre Greenway, on va le suivre. On regarde juste un petit peu autour de nous. Allez, zou. Alors on peut maintenir, voilà. Galoper un peu. Là il y a quelque chose. Un programme d'entraînement d'un soldat du SAS, mardi première semaine, développé couché, 5 séries, 5 répétitions, développé couché au banc, dips avec poids, rameur, appui, d'accord. Retourner.
Thank God it's not leg day.
Eh ben on va ramasser. Hein. C'est toujours ça. Il est là, mais est-ce qu'on fait un petit tour là pour voir?
Everyone,
Non. D'accord.
meet our new star air crewman Bond. So capable he could skip basic training. He'll now demonstrate his superior close combat skills. Monroe, will you do the honors?
Bah, ça commence bien.
Love to, sir.
Alors, on est censé prendre une dérouillée, je suppose.
Okay. Show me what you got.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Oh! Ah oui! On était bien censé s'en prendre une.
Okay.
Alors, comment on fait pour échapper? Oh! On n'est pas censé réussir, mais bon.
So, perhaps some basic training might still be needed. Cressida, Monroe, is top of the class. I task you with bringing him up to speed.
But sir,
He gets 2 weeks to pass basics.
we still have to study for social engineering.
Well, consider it a challenge, Cressida. You like those. You know what? I'll up this 1 notch. If he fails, I take 2 credits from both of you.
Can't be serious.
D'accord.
You know, I do love a challenge.
Respectfully, sir. I think we'd be wasting our time.
Très bien. On s'est fait des nouveaux copains. C'est vraiment le jeu à suivre comme un film. J'aime beaucoup. Ah, faut pas ta mauvaise tête, Jean-Mich. Alors, on va apprendre peut-être un petit peu de combat. Ils sont pas mal, hein. C'est vraiment apprendre comme faisant partie des films, hein. C'est sympa.
I don't know who the hell is playing favors for you. Obviously someone up high, but you won't get any from me. Better candidates were cut, and as far as I'm concerned, you should only be here if you've earned it.
Well, you and Greenway both.
Bah oui, hein. On arrive un petit peu comme un cheveu sur la soupe. Ah, je regarde toujours s'il y a des trucs à prendre. On peut aller par là ou pas? Voilà.
Boys,
Cressida's our top driver. She'll take you through the drill.
Ah, trop bien.
the best, as they say.
And you better learn fast.
Care to explain the car?
06 TBS, a classic. Seen some real life action too back in her day. Still a gorgeous drive.
There.
Go on then, get in. Do a lap around the island and get a feel for her. Fast as you please. No speed limits here.
Let's
Trop
do
bien.
this.
I'll come along, show you the course and give you a few pointers.
Don't crash.
Petite Aston Martin, c'est pas mal.
Go, go, go!
Allez, on y va.
If you want to prove Monroe wrong, you need to up the game. Slow down for the corners.
Ah oui, il y a eu le temps et tout.
Dancing.
Oh!
Do you even have a license?
Barely scratch.
Use the handbrake for sharp turns. Nice
J'ai pas
traction.
vu le frein à main, mais c'est pas grave.
Oh, paint!
Oh là là, le chantier.
Pretty solid for a first run.
Not too shabby. Next time, let's see you go fast.
Ah d'accord.
Go! Get to the flag as fast as you can.
2 weeks.
Je parle pas trop. Hop,
Well, that didn't take too long.
10 secondes 94. Oula, ça va vite. C'est l'entraînement turbo là. Alors A pour esquiver. Très bien. Ok. Oh là. Allez, c'est B, je suis bête. Tiens. Là. Non mais.
Give me 100. 1, 2, 3.
Course requirement is 30 seconds or less. Get to the
30
flag.
secondes. On va
You
par
know
où?
the drill.
For the love of God, isn't that enough misery for one night?
C'est bon.
Well done.
Ça va vite, hein. Alors,
Charge him, come on.
alors RB et X. Très bien. RB et X. Faudra vraiment s'en souvenir de ça. Hein. Allez, Balam.
Top that. Hit 3 targets. About time. Something like that.
To be my best, you need to be confident, bold, and take chances. Watch it! I love this car.
Je suis concentré, hein. Vous avez vu?
What a great set of wheels.
C'est bien ou c'est pas bien? Oui, ça avait l'air.
98,
99.
99.
Allez, allez, on se dépêche.
99.
Oh,
Hit the targets along the way.
on économise.
Contact shot.
Out of ammo.
Ah, trop bien.
Hold on.
Excellent.
You two, get in the ring.
Ah, tous les deux. Oh là là, c'est chaud.
Let's do this.
Really, Monroe?
Ah, je me rappelle plus. Voilà. Excellent. Ah, c'est pas mal. Très très bien. J'adore.
Give it everything you've got.
Everything he's got isn't
C'est pas encore, c'est pas très évident le.
on. Shoot.
Ah, pardon.
I'm surrounded.
Visant les jambes.
Deal with it, brother. He's locked. He's down. Out of the bloody way. He got.
What's taking so long? Get a move on.
Voilà. C'est bon, si. C'est pas forcément très évident au début. Hein. À prendre en main, je pense qu'on va voir ça au fur et à mesure. Les combinaisons, envoyer le flingue à la tête de l'autre.
Didn't want to be rude.
Okay. Air crew, you're up. If you're serious about earning your place, let's go.
Monroe.
Oh là.
Any dating horror stories you care to share? You look like a man who's had a few.
You think this is a joke?
Take it
easy, mate.
Alors là, il va falloir faire semblant de se rendre, d'accord?
Well, I thought you knew. I don't have to earn this. I can just get by on blind luck, right?
Who needs luck when you've got the old boy network on your side?
What do you say, mate? Call it a day? Okay. No
Ah.
more kick.
C'est parti. Oh là.
Bubbles it is.
J'en ai loupé un. Oh. Va falloir refaire un petit peu le... Parce que je sais plus. Pour parer. Ça doit être le B, hein, j'ai essayé. Mais... Oh là. Je suis pas content. Chantier.
If you had half a clue, you might actually be dangerous.
Ah. Voilà.
How did you even get here? Mummy and Daddy pulled some strings.
Ah voilà, c'est ça. Oh là là, le chantier. Oh là là, j'ai oublié le dernier. Trop bien. Oh, c'est mal ça. Eh ben dis donc. Ils ont ruiné tout le chantier. Ils sont contents.
Just can't help yourself, can you? I, for one, won't be sorry when you're gone.
Sir, this is on me.
I decided to take the sparring outside of the ring. Things might have gotten slightly out of hand.
Don't take the blame for him, Monroe.
Honestly, sir, he's cleared his close combat requirements. I just really wanted to test him. See what he's got. If that was out of line, I apologize.
I expected better from you. And Monroe, if you want this mess, clean it up. Alone.
Oh. Excellent.
You passed basic training, congratulations. However, there is also the matter of your performance review. Bond is immature and reckless, guided by his gut feelings and mistaken ideas of loyalty. He's a bad influence on the other recruits who inexplicably fall victim to his charm. Greenway recommends that I cut you from the program.
Not exactly a surprise. It's been a pleasure, Mom.
I want to show you something. Come.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle va nous montrer?
Neat trick.
Yes, I rather enjoy it myself.
What's down there?
You'll see, but first let me give you some context. I've been heading MI6 for 14 months now. Tell me, how many terror attacks have we had on British soil in that period?
As far as I know, none.
Dead agents, blown covers?
I wouldn't know, Mom.
Also none. How about the number of prevented or secretly resolved conflicts? Countless.
Ouais, bah, excuse, hein.
This way.
On va aller voir Q, non?
I need to check your clearance, sir.
He's with me, there's no need.
Mom.
Bon, on a le droit, là.
Never before have we had a success rate like now. Never before the precision, safety, intel quality and conflict resolution to such high standards. Unprecedented and unrivaled by anyone else in the intelligence community.
Ça pète un peu quand même, M. James aussi il se la raconte, hein. Comment il marche là, c'est... Ça fait caïd. Oh là.
This is the reason for our success. Meet Thea, the world's first and only second-generation quantum computer.
I thought those things were theoretical at best.
That's what we want you to think. Thea synthesizes millions of data streams instantaneously to make statistical deductions on matters of national security. The system's all but wiped the floor with GCHQ. Since its activation, we've saved more lives, thwarted more attacks, lost fewer people. That was Thea, in Iceland,
Ah ouais.
in case you were wondering, guiding you every step of the way.
And yet it was wrong.
Thea gave you a less than 1% chance of success. You simply beat the odds.
I didn't realize those were actual odds.
Still, you proved an important point of mine. You see, I strongly believe that there is still a need for such human flourishes as heart and intuition in modern spycraft. In fact, that's the very reason I'm bringing back the Double O's.
Oh, I heard you were cleared for advanced training?
I am?
You did an impossible thing. I would like you to do it again.
And if I can't?
Well, then I don't have much use for you, do I? Now get the hell out of my Faraday cage.
Come on.
Oui, madame.
I'll take you to Q-Lab.
On va aller voir le labo de Q,
So
trop bien.
what's in Q-Lab?
Apart from Q, I wouldn't really know where to begin. You'll see.
You really should work on that infuriatingly secretive side of yours.
Oh, but you don't think that I'm hitting all of the marks? Well, how about this? I'm sure there'll be a surprise or two for you in there.
Bit over the top, perhaps.
You just wait and see.
Oh là,
How about that?
trop bien. Ah ouais, ça fait vraiment
I'm sure Q's waiting.
GoldenEye quoi.
Oh, and Dr. Tan asked to see you as well. Look for a sign that says Taksim.
Faire connaissance. Alors d'abord, est-ce qu'il y a des petites choses à voir? Des petits trucs à prendre un peu partout ou pas? Normalement on voit un petit...
Careful, mind the cable.
Oui, d'accord. Les petites touches qui apparaissent. Donc on va faire le tour, gentiment. On va regarder.
Can't talk right now, busy.
Oh, hi. Here to see Q? He's around somewhere.
Ah, il y a un petit drone là. Je sais pas si vous avez vu. Il faudra faire attention à bien regarder. Voilà.
Taser
Inspecter.
drones, huh?
Yep. The latest in automated building security. A lot harder to dodge than a CCTV camera.
Plus, CCTV cameras don't usually zap you.
True. This one is a special commission from the Foreign Secretary's office. Apparently they've had several break-in attempts.
Very pro-tech, that Secretary Bright.
Yeah, well, you lead, you follow, or you get out of the way.
Ok.
Should I position the flamethrower next to the exhaust pipe or beneath it?
Un moto qui faisait du... Alors, parler, on verra après.
Got it.
Là, il y a un truc aussi.
Webb Industries. They've come a long way since artillery cannons.
Est-ce qu'on a d'autres choses? Donc là, il doit parler à quelqu'un. Bon, on va parler à tout le monde.
Beautiful ride. Any chance I could take her for a spin?
Depends. Are you biometrically matched?
I'm guessing no.
In that case, absolutely not.
Worth a shot.
Il n'y a rien par là. Si? Non? Ça surbrillé? Non, pas. Là. Quelque chose.
Hey, welcome to Key Branch. This is where all the magic happens.
Tension diplomatique entre le Royaume-Uni et la Slovaquie suite à une opération de contre-espionnage. Hein, ok. Mince. Petit ours en peluche qui doit être piégé ou quelque chose comme ça. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il nous voit?
Oh, it's this robotic arm. It keeps... Say, you're Bond, aren't you? The chap from the Iceland incident?
Oui.
Why, when I heard they were bringing you into the fold, I was just delighted. What you did, and without proper training, truly remarkable.
I got lucky.
Nonsense. My friend Paxton was on the extraction team. He'd be dead if it wasn't for you. Hold your head high, Bond. I mean that.
Thanks.
Merci.
Hey, you're one of the agents in training. Best of luck.
C'est immense.
What is that?
That is an impetus cube. Its design is evocative but ambiguous. Its purpose, elusive. Few people can resist the urge to pick it up. Of course, when they do, zap.
Curiosity killed the trespasser.
Stunned. We're not barbarians. But they will need a change of trousers.
Lovely.
Excellent. Donc faire connaissance, on n'a toujours pas trouvé les gens. Ah.
James Bond. Stand still.
I'm looking for someone called Q.
And you found him. Right, step through here, please. Now, look into these. Hold still, eyes open.
Excellent.
What was that?
It's your lenses. They need a little time to calibrate, so you won't see anything just yet. Ah, interesting. Right, follow me. I have something for you.
C'était vraiment ce qu'on attendait d'un James Bond. Oh là là.
Pick one.
I already have a watch.
Oh, you do? May I see it? get a new one.
Les gadgets, tout ça, c'était vraiment ce qu'on attendait.
Now choose one.
What's
Alors.
the difference?
This one's maroon. That's navy. Burgundy.
Ah ouais.
Winter grey.
Ouais, vert. Pas mal celle-ci.
Stylish pick. I do believe there's hope for you yet. You're the first recruit to receive one. Give it a moment to calibrate. Switch on the
Ah, excellent.
Q-lens overlay. Now, use the watch to turn off the two lamps on the table in front of you.
Ah oui, d'accord. Excellent.
Great work, Bond. With a little practice, it will become second nature. It has a variable active range and a 360 reach angle. To be honest, we haven't tested it to its limit yet. Why don't you give it a try?
Alors, pirater des objets dans le labo de Q. Ah bah je l'avais là. Ah oui, ça marche.
I like it. Don't change a thing.
Oops, it must still be set to my profile. Well done, though. Let me reset your watch to field mode. If it runs out of power mid-mission, you can recharge it from whatever electrical devices are available, such as the battery on the bench there. Montgomery, we need a cleanup over here.
Right away.
Q?
What's on your mind?
Alors, Moni Penny, parlez-moi de M. Quittez la conversation. Qui a créé TA?
M just showed me the lady of the house.
On va discuter un peu, hein.
Oh, no. Computers are not my field, quantum or otherwise. Theia was developed by Webb Industries.
The AI company?
Well, only recently. They're one of the UK's oldest defence contractors. Their partnership with the government goes back more than a century.
You don't sound overly enthusiastic.
I make field gadgets, not office supplies.
Right. Who needs an explosive pen when all the agents are snug behind a desk?
Indeed.
Bon, on va pas parler de tout. On va discuter avec Selina Tan qui doit être là. Ouais, les voitures et tout. Qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire là? Je regarde un petit peu ce qui est possible de faire.
Still testing the sensor calibration. Almost ready.
Almost. It's either ready or it's not.
You could add that column in your notes.
Ah, yes. And maybe we add another 6 months to your
Bon allez,
It's like
je vous embête pas plus.
Oh, and you're up for review with Q in 3 days.
Sounds about right.
Pas mal du tout. Alors, à nous.
James Bond. I've been monitoring you quite closely.
The last time someone told me that, I had to leave the country in some haste.
Oh, which country?
Which time?
Dr. Selina Tan. I'm in charge of tactical simulations. My department specializes in performance management and skill development. I've been working with Thea on a prototype based on the Iceland incident. Once the system is operational, I'd very much like you to have a go.
Oh, I'm not sure. Ever been one for nostalgia?
You're intrigued, admit it. Come and see me after training. I promise you won't be disappointed.
Eh ben ok. Donc vous voyez, on a la boussole en bas à gauche. Ben écoutez, ce qu'on va faire les amis, on va se laisser là pour aujourd'hui et on continuera très prochainement. N'hésitez pas à vous abonner, à aimer, à partager, à laisser un petit commentaire et puis surtout portez-vous bien et à très bientôt. Salut les amis.